Hello, this is Sarah Blanchard. I'd like to show you around a wonderful farm in Kenly, North Carolina. This 19-acre horse farm features a 2,200 square foot manufactured ranch home, well maintained with lots of upgrades, additions, and amenities, including a wonderful sunroom, a family room with a wood stove, and a master suite with a garden spa tub. Horse people, of course, always want to see what the barns and land are like, so we're going to take a look around outside. The 72 by 36 foot center aisle Morton barn has 6 box stalls, a wash stall, tack room, and loads of overhead loft and equipment space. There's tubing installed in the stalls for an automated fly spray system. The owners have bred and trained several champion quarter horses on this property. It has also served from time to time as an equine rescue facility. There's a round pen, a large riding and driving arena, and a sliding pit for the reining horses. Outdoor spotlights provide illumination for the round pen and the barnyard. The owner's granddaughters, Ashley and Mackenzie, are going to show us around. More than 12 acres of level rolling pastures and paddocks are fenced with ram vinyl electric fencing, which is horse safe and easy to maintain. The fields have been well maintained with coastal Bermuda and cool weather grasses. They've been fertilized, limed, mowed, and reseeded as needed. Trees and run-in sheds provide shade, and underground piping with frost-free hydrants bring water to the field. This farm is on a public water supply on the county road, but there's also a drilled well and 2 septic systems. There are 2 ponds stocked with fish and a 6-acre woodlot at the very back with access to trails. The natural footing here is a horse-friendly mix of sand and clay with very few rocks, great for keeping horses barefoot. The woods are a mix of hardwoods and longleaf loblolly pine. Along with the main horse barn, there's an older barn with chicken coops and plenty of room for equipment storage. The gambrel-roofed workshop has a wood stove and is wired for 220, with a generator connection panel and also hookups for your RV. This is a community of small farms and rural residential home sites. Many people around here keep horses, goats, chickens, and cows. This house is also handicapped accessible with a ramp on the rear deck and interior doors widening for wheelchair access. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. Contact me for more information or to visit this great farm.